Hello everyone! So happy to share with you this province life vlog. So ito yung mga ginawa ko sa province guys. So this is the view here sa palayan na tinaanan namin. So ito ay nagdamo ako nito to make my small garden. And then I will plant some pumpkin and lady finger is we called it okra. So kapag may tinanim ka guys, may aanihin ka. So hindi mo kailangan manghingi na sa kapitbahay or bibili ng gulay. So kapag masipag ka lang, mabubuhay ka sa probinsya. So dito guys, dinamuhan ko to. So I make like a mini garden. So ito yung result niya guys. So ayan, nadamuhan ko na siya. And then I will back tomorrow na naman para magdamo dito kasi hapon na. And then this time is morning time na, so I need to plant some kamote here. So and then some labog, I don't know in English. Also this is my plant na after a week. So yan siya guys. So diniligan ko siya para hindi mamatay. So may mga kamote dito. So, ayan siya guys, yung aking mini garden. So, this one is my pumpkin. So, ayan, medyo malaki na. Ito ay yung last na naming pagkikita ng aking garden. So, ito guys, so medyo malaki-laki na. At saka, nilinisan ko na siya para hindi siya maraming damo. So, ayan. So, may madaming kamote and okra. And then, on the side, may labog. At saka, may, you call the one pumpkin din. Ayan yung pumpkin. So, I miss you, my pumpkin. So, ayan guys, yung aking mini garden. So, now, sana lumaki ka na. So, ayan. So, kapag may masipag ka lang guys, may makakain ka. So, ayan yung aking okra na maliliit pa. And, I plant a lot of okra here. So, mommy and daddy will harvest and some of my cousins. So, ito naman is the papaya of mommy. I'm flexing. And the big papaya, you see, is going to be ripened. So, mahihinog na siya. So, ito lang yung guys, yung mga tahimik na life sa province. And then, we got chili here. So, mommy plant it. And then ito ay ang malaking mangga. So yung malaking mangga. And then we have some avocados here and one mangga that I take and some calamansi. Then this one, I don't know what is kind of flower is this, but it looks nice. And then this one also. And then sa pagdaan ko, nadaanan ko yung motherlyhood ng cow, ng baka. So ayan yung baka ni mommy. And then, I'm going to other place here na para manguha ng saging. So, manguha kami ng saging ni mami. So, yan siya guys, yung saging na kukunin namin. So, tiniba ko na para makuha ang saging. So that we can have banana cue or banana chips or nilagang saging. So, yan yung saging guys. So, I like to do this when I'm in the province. So, ayan siya. So, yan lang yung aking gagawin. So, kailangan mo siyang tanggalin dyan guys para maitago mo ang saging. Para madali siyang buhatin. So, yan. The simple life in province. So, here naman ay kumuha kami ng puso ng saging kasi gusto naming maggulay. So, yan, pinahirapan pa niya ako. But kapag magnanako ng puso ng saging, ang bilis lang tanggalin. Ako, ang tagal-tagal ko siyang matanggal. So, ayan. Yan, pinahirapan niya ako ng bonggang-bongga sa pagtanggal ng puso ng saging. So, ayun, nakuha din kita sa wakas. Pinahirapan mo pa ako. So, ito naman is cacao, the native cacao in province. So, it's sweet. So, walang kumakain ito. Kasi, Hindi naman gusto ni Mami. So, ayan siya guys. Yung kakao. So, if pag yellow na siya, pwede siyang kainin. So, ayan siya. The native cacao in province. And, this one is a mulberry. Sa native mulberry in Philippines. So, ayan yung Philippine mulberry natin. So, actually, this one is Antiphil's one. So, ito naman guys is the giant lily. So, Crinum asiaticum, the giant lily. So, maganda yung flowers guys. Pero this plant is poisonous actually. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng kung may ka man, huwag mong itakin kasi napaka-poisonous niya. And then, on this one, alam nyo na, labong. So, sino sa mahilig sa labong dyan? And we got ampalaya din. So, nagpati yung dahon. And then, this one is passion fruit. So, ito guys, ginagawa namin minsan ng juice. And then, this one is, ito yung namimiss ko pag sa probinsya kasi hindi mo kailangan gumamit ng gas. So, ayan yung, we call this mushrooms itibo-tibo or hapon-hapon. So, tuwing hapon mo lang siya makukuha. And then, ito ay gabi with bagungon. And then, this is the all-time favorite in Iloilo is adobo. So, this way, they cook adobo in Iloilo. And this one is kalamay-hate. And this one naman is ibos or suman. So, this one, guys, is ginataang cassava leaves. So, masarap din siya, guys. So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share.